Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I'm your online teacher for the subject of biology. Today we are going to discuss muscle tissue that are very abundant in animal bodies. Abundant means सबसे ज़्यादा पाई जाने वाली जो टिश्यूज़ हैं वो मसल टिश्यूज़ हैं एनिमल्स में. In our previous two lectures, we have studied about different categories of animal tissues, epithelial tissues, connective tissues, nervous tissues, and now our topic of discussion is muscle tissue. First of all, we will discuss the shape of the muscle tissue. Muscle tissue consists of bundle of long cells, means इसमें bundles present होते हैं long cells के, means इसके cell की shape क्या है? These are long, called muscle fibers. Okay बेटे, ये short question आपका आ सकता है. What is muscle fibers? So the definition of muscle fiber is muscle tissue consists of bundle of long cells, means इसमें long cells के bundle होते हैं जिनको हम muscle fibers कहते हैं, and it is the most abundant tissue in an animal. The cells of this tissue have ability to contract. इसके जो cells हैं वो contract कर सकते हैं. There are three kinds of muscle tissue. Three kinds हैं बेटे muscle tissues की. One is skeletal muscle, second one is smooth muscles, and the third one is cardiac muscles. Now the students, what are skeletal muscles? Skeletal muscles are also called striated muscles. What are striated muscles? It means that it have striations, means fine lines in their cells. Their cells are striped and contain many nuclei. अब इसके जो cells हैं बेटे वो striped means इसमें lining सी होती हैं और बहुत से nuclei होते हैं, means its cell does not contain one nucleus, it contains a number of nuclei. What is the function of skeletal muscles? They are responsible for the movements of bones. Bones की movement के लिए ये responsible होते हैं. Second one is smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are basically found in the walls of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal जो आपकी food canal आती है उसमें, urinary bladder में present होता है और blood vessels में. ठीक है बेटे. What is the location of smooth muscles? They are present in alimentary canal, urinary bladder and in blood vessels. They contain smooth cells. They contain smooth cells which are non-striated, means इसके जो cells हैं वो just clear होंगे without any lining and each with a single nucleus. ओके बेटे, skeletal muscles में हमने पढ़ा था that its cells are striped and they contain a number of nuclei, but the cells of smooth muscles are non-striated and have only one nucleus. And what is the function of smooth muscles? They are responsible for the movement of substances, means substances को move करने के लिए ये helpful होते हैं. Now the third one is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are present in the wall of heart, means the muscles of the heart are called cardiac muscles. Their cells are also striated, but there is a single nucleus in each cell. They produce heartbeat. What is the function of cardiac muscles? ये heartbeat produce करते हैं. So बेटे, what is the difference between the cells of skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscles? The cells of cardiac and skeletal muscles are striated, but the cells of skeletal muscles have a number of nuclei and the cells of cardiac muscles have single nucleus. The cells of smooth muscles are non-striated and have single nucleus. अब बेटे एक और डिफरेंस है इन तीनों मसल्स में. स्केलेटल मसल्स आर वॉलंटरी इन एक्शन, means its contraction and relaxation are under the control of our wills. It means that you can walk easily with your own will. You can eat, you can run, you can sleep, you can think. ओके बेटे, ये मसल्स जो हैं ये हमारे अपने कंट्रोल में होते हैं, बट द स्मूथ एंड कार्डियक मसल्स आर इनवॉलेंट्री इन एक्शंस. उसका एक्शन आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, आप अपनी हार्ट बीट को नहीं रोक सकते, एंड देयर कंट्रैक्शन इज नॉट अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ आवर विल. So the students, now the difference between skeletal muscles, smooth and cardiac muscles is clear. Skeletal muscles are involuntary in action and smooth and cardiac muscles are voluntary in action and smooth and cardiac muscles are involuntary in action. Now the students see the figure 4.29 in which different types of muscle tissues are present. First one is skeletal muscles, and you can see that a number of linings in the cells and each cell contain a number of nuclei. Nucleus are shown with blue color and striations are with dark red color. Second one bete, smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are non-striated. You can see that there are not a lining in the cells and each cell contain only one nucleus. See the diagram of cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are also striated and they have also a single nucleus inside one cell. Now see the box. Do you know? Exercise does not increase the numbers of our skeletal muscle cells. It simply enlarges those already present. Now the point is clear. The cells of skeletal muscles cannot increase in number. It means that they remains the same. Their number does not increase, but they only enlarges. Okay students, now you have a clear understanding about the muscle tissues. We have studied about it 3 types: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and we have discussed about its diagram. Now the students see your assignment and solve the questions that are related to this lecture. So the students, our today's lecture is over now. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.